Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this short tutorial video, I'm going to share with you one very common mistake to avoid in your WordPress WooCommerce store, and it will also help you to improve your store conversion. Okay, so this is a typical WooCommerce store, and you will find that sometimes when your product is sold out, that means that the inventory it becomes zero. You will have a label such as this to show that this product is sold out. So most likely when a visitor comes to your website and they see that this is sold out, very high chance that they won't be clicking on this image on this product already. So they will look out for other product. So my suggestion is to never display labels such as this sold out. Instead, just display it normally, and when people click on this product, inside the product page, you can tell them that it's out of stock, and in additional, put in a wait list notification for people to join, so people can enter their name and email to get notified when this product comes back from stock already in future. So this is a better approach because it will improve the chance of people seeing the details of this product, and when there is a notification feature, they can be notified. So how are we going to implement this? Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. So in this website, we are using Whotisify theme. So for this theme, I have a CSS code to remove this sold out label. So this is the CSS code. Depend on the theme that you are using, the codes might be different. So you may want to check with your theme developer on what are the codes to remove the sold out label. Okay, so once I have the CSS coding, I will just enter the CSS coding in this additional CSS area. I will just paste the coding in and click publish. So once I click publish, I can check out the shop, and you can see that the sold out label no longer appears. So now I'm going back to the dashboard, and let's install a simple plugin. This plugin will help us to show the notifier when the stock comes back. It's called the wait list WooCommerce. So just enter the keyword wait list WooCommerce into this area, and this is the plugin that we use. Okay, waitlist WooCommerce back in stock notifier. I've already installed it earlier, so I just click on activate to activate the plugin. So once the plugin has been activated, you scroll down. This is the plugin we installed. Then click on settings, and it will link us to this plugin option. So you can make an option whether you want the waitlist form to appear pop-up or inline. So I would prefer it to inline. Do you want guests to also have the ability to fill up? I would say yes. And there are also a lot of other customization you can do. Okay, so I leave it to you to explore the rest of the option. And after that, you just click save. And once you click save, you go back to the store and click on refresh again. Refresh the store. Okay, the label is gone. So now if someone were to click inside this product, they will see this join wait list. So they can enter email and enter the quantity that they want and click email me when available. So this tip, I believe, will improve not only the conversion of your store and also the stickiness that the visitors will want to check out most of your product because they didn't see the out of stock label before they go into the individual product. So I hope that this will help to improve your store conversion. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the questions area below. Thank you.